I've gotten the tip that a search and rescue is currently in front of the coast, so we're going to check out what is going on over there, and hopefully no one is in serious danger or anything. Okay, bad news is I just missed it. Apparently, yeah, it's just gone and past Benidorm towards that direction. But hey, at least we got that very nice sunset that is gonna happen tonight. Really beautiful out here. And quiet as well. But let's check out the neighborhood then. Why not? Walk a little bit around. Explore some sites, everywhere around, and see where it brings us. Wow, even over here, quite some water on the beach. Lifeguard has went home. Do understand why, hardly working like this. Even all the foam has extended until over here. Oh, those people back there at the bars at Rica's and Stag and Pheasant, they have the best view ever. Let's have a look how it looks like for them. Sipping nicely on a drink over here. And then enjoying this amazing view over here from Benidorm. Some palm trees in the front as well. Amazing it looks. Only thing that could be improved right now is a bit warmer. A bit warmer would definitely be better. It's still 14 degrees and yeah, the wind and everything makes it quite cold over here. Oh, look at what is leaving over there in the distance. That is the rescue boat, search and rescue. That's strange because on the map it showed it was already back there towards Alicante instead of right on my left. If I'd known that, I'd walked up a bit towards those towers. Well, let's hope it was just some practicing or anything they did. No one was in danger. At least they got an amazing view to practice with. Okay, so my walking plan right now, because the search and rescue boat is all the way far out over there. Oh wait, I've got to point the camera down. Over there somewhere, all the way in the distance. Is head this way. Then past Port Benidorm, where that crane is building the new tower. And then up there towards Calle de Londres, head down through there. Hasn't been a while since I've seen Calle de Londres. Let's see if anything going on over there. And then that will bring us back towards down there, the Rincon area. quite some construction work going on over here. Even inside the restaurant, they still got lots of work to do. Ripped out the complete ceiling, I can see. And of course the down floor as well. I'll show you better on this side on the left. It's going to be one major lobby and reception area when you enter. Includes the new tower as well. If you're curious about a full video of this brand new tower that's coming over here, definitely do subscribe then, and please as well hit that like button, really helps. There's coming a full video of the Port Benidorm Hotel soon on my YouTube channel. I'm just waiting for the perfect weather to record it, because right now with those grey skies, well, it doesn't look the best to present something brand new, I think. Okay, back to the plan. We've got the Pheasant's Corner pub over there. And the other side, another bar, White Horse as well. And then up through the street, this bar is open, or what is it? Food and everything. Never went in there, to be honest. If they are open, more looks like a restaurant. Then this brings us past some apartment buildings which all look quite similar. Then we're getting towards the Survey Group Rialto. They're currently renovating the Pueblo Hotel next to the market. Also want to check that out, by the way. But not today, that's quite far out, all the way towards that direction. Apparently not the only hotel getting renovated. Over here in this corner, Taberna Mitíca has taken over this building, and apparently there's a complete renovation, or at least new stickers on front. Very good restaurant. I've visited them quite a lot when it was still in its old location. That's a bit further down that road, near Amelia. That is where it used to be. Then it moved over here. I believe there was... Ooh, what was the name of the bar that was in here? Mystic, I believe. Has changed a bit last few years. Still nothing in this old building from the Yorkshire Pride number 2. Still abandoned inside, no work done. Well, this street is quite popular usually. Got a big good Italian restaurant on the other side, Duetto. Definitely recommend that one to visit sometime if you're in Benidorm. Some Spanish restaurants as well. Menus, they have pint for $1.50. Then we got Uncle Ron's, of course. €1. And quite busy inside as well, so it does work. Nicely covered up, everyone. So it's warm there. Burger and a pint. Only 5. Those two go well together. I'm getting a little bit hungry, that's why probably. Charlie's Place is closed, but they do offer indoor seating now as well in winter, so that's a good thing. This place is new, by the way, in case you didn't know it. Has been renovated service as well. So yeah, new place. Charlie's Place. Right in front of Hallie's apartments, which is right up there. Then we got as well pie and mash. And that brings us towards the corner over here with the KFC. And don't forget about Stars Bar, which is still open right now. And this brings us back again towards the Avenida Amettla de Mar, the road towards the beach. Yeah, a bit of a different video than I did expect actually. Hoped to see them go to work, maybe do a sort of practice, the search and rescue team up there. But they were completely out of sight until they just went away. Well, that's how things go. Hope you all liked the video of the area I explored just yet. Don't forget to hit like, do subscribe, and if you want to see this afternoon's video, then click right over here. Click there to subscribe.